you're talking very jet speed.
Jet
Sometimes
speed.
I can't.
I'm so sorry.
Sometimes I can't under. Sometimes, when I seeing your videos, I can't find out some words.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Actually, yeah, hello. I can
Hello,
hear you. I can.
hello, hello, hello.
Can you hear me?
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. I'm hearing.
Okay, good
I'm hearing
afternoon.
you, madam.
Good
Very
afternoon.
good afternoon.
How are
Very
you?
good afternoon. I am fine, madam. How do you do?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Before we start, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Madam, I am Srinivas. I'm basically a town from Telangana. It's named Nalgonda district headquarters. I'm a businessman.
Okay.
I started my business in 2002 April. It's a pet store.
Okay. Yeah, I can
I
see.
met,
I can see
I met
behind you. Okay.
I like to listen some devotional songs and comedy movies
Okay.
and live shows also, and read some devotional books also. I like to play shuttle also in the early every day in the morning.
Oh, that's great.
I want to become a good businessman in the future.
Yes. Yes.
That's all about myself, madam.
Okay.
What,
And yes,
what
about
about
me,
madam?
I am
What about you?
Sarita. I am Sarita, and I am from Haryana.
Okay, it's
Yes.
very good.
Yes. So, why are you learning spoken English? Is there any specific reason?
This specific reason, and also I have a desire. Hello.
Yes.
Hi, madam. I went to visit some two countries abroad, Dubai and Thailand, before when 5 years back. I faced lot of problems there.
Okay.
When we went to the shop, facing what I think in my mind, I can't express myself. What I want to, how can I get the things? How can I buy the things? And
Okay.
how can I speak some on the shop peoples? That's why I felt very shy and guilty also at
Okay.
that.
It happens. It happens. Yes. You are right.
Then I decided to learn whatever it may. I got fluency in English,
Yes.
and along with that, it is very useful to my pet store. Pet parents are already those peoples are educated peoples, I think.
Yes.
When the peoples are came to my shop and ask some accessories, dog food, and etc. They asking. At that time they are speaking in English, but I can't speak, and
Yes.
I can't reply. I couldn't reply. That's why I'm
Yeah.
very.
So it's great. You are speaking well. You are speaking well.
Thank you, madam. Thank you,
So you
madam.
visited Dubai for your business purpose, or it was a personal tour?
Personal tour. It is only visiting for some different tourism, like just with my friends.
Okay. So how do you find Dubai?
From flight. How do you find?
How do you
I
find
didn't
means?
understand.
Okay. I'm saying how do you find means I am saying that do you like Dubai? Find means here like.
Yes, madam. Okay. Yes, I
Okay.
understood.
Yes.
Just I like Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, there is some different structural buildings, and there is a very neat and green places are we can see, and there is some water adventurous, and there is a Al Burj
Burj
hotel is
Khalifa.
there, and
Okay.
Burj Khalifa Al Arab Hotel also is there. It is a very famous 7-star hotel in the world.
Okay, okay. That's
Mm.
great. That's great.
And
What other country you visited? You named one more country.
Thailand.
Thailand. Okay.
Thailand.
So that was also with your friends?
Yes, madam. With my friends, to two cities I visited. One is Bangkok and Pattaya. Those Pattaya is the totally the entertainment spots for couples and friends and bachelors.
Yes, yes, yes.
Like me.
Yes, yes, it is. So in India, what all states you have visited?
I visited 2-3 states, ma'am. 2-3 states, Maharashtra, Delhi and Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
Kerala and Karnataka.
Okay, Tamil Nadu and
About
Karnataka
3 or 4.
they are in South India.
Yes, yes.
So how do you find
Yes,
Delhi?
yes.
How was your experience being in Delhi?
Delhi, I went in, I visited in 2004, I think.
Okay.
It is a very long time.
Yes, yes.
At that time, I didn't find very differentiation in the city.
Okay.
When
Okay.
at that time, flyovers are building,
Yes.
constructing, under construction. I don't no idea about that particularly.
Okay.
What is there? What was there?
Okay. Okay. So what was the reason visiting Delhi?
Just that is business purpose. I went to.
Okay, that was
I went to business purpose.
Okay, and how many days you stayed?
Medical business purpose.
Okay, and how many days you stayed
Only
here there
2
in
days.
Delhi? 2 days.
I stayed only 2 days.
Okay.
I visited only 2 pharmaceutical companies
Okay.
for discussing some formulations and some drugs material.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. So nowadays you are running a pet store, right?
Yes, madam. Pet and vet store.
Okay.
I'm running.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. And so before that, you used to work somewhere?
I worked in my relative shop for 6 months only. I completed my graduation in 1997. Then after I worked in Ramoji Film City for 1 year. Then after I got a seat in diploma in pharmacy seat in the technical education department in our state. I completed my diploma in pharmacy in 2001 December.
Okay.
Then after I immediate completion of my education, I started my pharmacy.
Okay, okay, good, good. So you are in business from your career starting?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, okay. So you always wanted to be a businessman?
Yes, madam. Yes, yes.
That's great.
It is my ambition also.
Okay, okay. That's very nice. So do you want to share any kind of tips that if anyone wants to start business, so what are their pros and cons starting a business? So business is a good thing or doing job somewhere is a good thing. What is your suggestion on that?
Business is the good thing when compared with the job. If we have skill on that what we are want to run a business, we have to knowledge thorough knowledge we have. Then after we have investment also. We should have investment also.
Yes.
Then we can and the place of the business also very important. Selection of the place of the business. 3 kinds are very important. Who wants to establish the business? It is a very play key role.
Okay.
Customers are waiting for me.
Oh, this customer is a king. You can go. Please attend them.
Yeah. Just wait. After our conversation, I will go.
Okay, so there must be someone else in your store who is helping you, right?
Yes, worker is there, and my wife is very helpful to me.
Okay, okay,
She
okay.
can run easily my pharmacy.
Wow, that's great. So she is also present there right now?
Yes. No. It is Sunday. It's today is Sunday, no? That's why
Yes,
she always
she's at
she
home.
don't want to come in Sunday. Ah, yes.
Yes, yes.
With my along with my daughters.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes. It's great. It's great. Okay. So you have a daughter as well.
Two daughters I have, madam.
Oh,
They are
that's
studying inter first and second year.
oh.
Yes, madam.
Oh,
I am 45.
okay,
I am
okay.
45.
That's
Now,
great.
now I am 45.
Okay, 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 okay. So your daughters must be speaking in English, or you have your
Yes.
local language environment at home.
No. They are studied in CBSE in 10th in G school, G Mount Litera schools.
Okay, okay,
They will speak. They can speak very fluently.
okay. So do you converse with them in English or in your local language?
No, madam. I am trying to speak since 2 months, madam.
Okay, you have just
First of all,
started your journey, spoken English journey.
yes, two and a half months
Oh,
before.
that's great. So your daughter must be helping you in your spoken part.
Okay, she helping me sometimes.
Yes, yes. It's very great. Like if we have a spoken environment at our home, that it's become easy for us to speak well.
Y- Yes, madam. Yes, madam. There is no speaking environment, English environment with
Yes.
me.
Yes, yes. So nowadays, like how many people you have conversed with?
Only 4 or 5 members, 20, 200. Ah, madam.
Okay, okay. Only 4 or 5 people you
First,
have conversed with.
yes, madam. I conversed with Arif Auto.
Yes, yes. She's very good. I have
Do you know?
also conversed with him.
Arif?
Yes, he's very nice person.
Yes. Madam, I saw your total videos,
Oh, thank you so much.
clapping videos and clapping your clapping videos and Kerala speaker. I saw your video
Yes.
when you speak with Kerala madam.
So have you tried Clappingo as well, or you are just speaking to people like us on this platform?
I 3 slots I booked madam, but I was tried one scheduled class.
Mm-hmm.
In that sir is Ramu, the different name is there.
Okay.
When I was not able to talk in English fluently,
Mm-hmm.
I can't how to talk also.
Okay.
The sir said me, no. First of all, you have to practice tenses, and you think English, you talk in English, you read some English books and write in English
Yes, yes.
some vocabularies. Then only you can get fluently with the dare.
Right, right, right.
He's the my what we call encouraged me. He
Yes,
encouraged me.
I have also taken, like as you have seen that I have also taken Clappingo demo classes from there. So what I
Madam.
find that this is good for those people who can speak not fluently, but who can speak, who can make sentences. And
Yes, ma'am.
yes, once we are good in making sentences, then we must try Clappingo so that they can correct us wherever we are wrong. But if
Yes, ma'am.
we are just beginners conversing like this as we are conversing, this is very helpful.
Okay, yes, madam. Yes,
Yes,
madam.
yes, you are
Yeah,
right.
madam, you are a jet. You are speaking jets.
You are on mute. What you say?
Madam, you are talking very jet speed.
Jet
Sometimes
speed.
I can't.
I'm so
Sometimes
sorry.
I can't under. Sometimes, when I seeing your videos, I can't find out some words.
Oh. I'm so sorry. Actually,
Very.
I tried not to speak so fast, but as I
Mhm.
speak Hindi very fast, so it comes automatically in my English as well. Though this is very
Okay.
bad for the beginners, they should not try speaking so fast in English. But I don't know
Yes.
why I start behave like a train and I start speaking so fast.
Are
But
you English mid student, madam?
no, I'm not from English background. I'm from Hindi medium.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Even though.
I know English.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
I'm totally Telugu student.
Yes. Still, you are speaking so well. It's very nice of you, sir.
Just I am learnt in within 2.5 months, madam.
It's very great. It's very great. And the
Y-
more you speak with
y-
the people, the more you will get that fluency as well.
Yeah, yes, madam. I have no time to talk with different strangers. Why? Because I am a retailer, na.
Yes,
That's
yes,
why
yes.
it is a very busy store.
True.
Mm, okay.
True, true.
It's very tough to get time.
Yes, you are right. You are right. You are right. So anything else you want to ask, or we should call it for the day? Because our meeting is going to close in
Madam,
next 2 minutes. Yes, yes. Tell me, please.
okay, okay, madam. I am agitated somewhere where if there is any scheduled classes on the online.
Yes, yes.
Just when the starting the class, I feel very agitated. I
Sir,
doesn't know.
sir,
I don't.
see,
I don't
sir,
know.
see, it happens with everyone. So forget about the hesitation, because the like you are speaking with me, so I am at the same level as you are. So don't bother about the
No, no, no.
hesitation.
You are a jet, madam. I am tortoise type.
No, sir. If you have watched my all the videos, then see my first 2 or 3 videos. I used to be very nervous. I was very hindered in making sentences. So, sir, this is a normal process. It happens with everyone. So the if
I seen.
yes,
I saw your first videos, madam.
yes.
I find out that you are somewhat yeah, you felt somewhat intention, somewhat some grammatical mistakes. You're done. You're done.
Sir, see, I have practiced a lot, and nowadays I have started speaking with the people. So I always suggest you just speak with the more people as much as you can. So it will be helping you out in your learning English.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Your videos are very useful for me, madam. Very useful.